The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up by Marie Kondo is a guide to decluttering and organizing your home. Kondo teaches her KonMari method, where you tidy by category instead of by room. Today we will discuss the interesting world of tidying up and show how it would be very much important for success in our modern world. Here are 3 key lessons from book. 1. Keep only what sparks joy. 2. Tidy by category, not location. 3. Respect and value your belongings. But before starting to tidy up your room and your life, subscribe Poetics of Success for more supporting content on real values in your life. The book is important for today's world because many people feel overwhelmed by too much stuff and clutter in their homes. In modern life, we often buy and accumulate things quickly, which can lead to stress and make it hard to focus or relax. Marie Kondo's method helps people get rid of things they don't need and find joy in what they keep. This makes homes simpler, more organized and peaceful, which is important for mental well-being in our busy and fast-paced world. It also teaches mindfulness and gratitude for what we already have. The most famous principle in the book is to declutter by evaluating each item and asking yourself if it sparks joy. If it does, keep it. If not, thank it for its service and let it go. This method encourages a personal connection to your belongings rather than focusing solely on practicality. Instead of tidying room by room, Marie Kondo suggests organizing by category, clothes, books, papers, etc. This helps you see the full extent of what you own and make more mindful decisions about what to keep or discard. Kondo emphasizes treating your belongings with respect. This includes folding clothes neatly, storing them in a way that shows appreciation, and recognizing the role they play in your life. This practice fosters mindfulness and gratitude. Marie Kondo talks about keeping only what sparks joy as a way to make your life happier and less cluttered. The idea is simple. Instead of keeping things just because you've always had them, you should only keep items that make you feel genuinely happy or serve an important purpose. When you touch or look at an item, it should bring a positive feeling. This is what Kondo means by sparking joy. This concept is important because in today's world, we tend to collect a lot of stuff: clothes, gadgets, books, and more. Sometimes we keep things out of guilt, like a gift we don't like, or out of fear, thinking we might need them later. This can create clutter and make us feel overwhelmed, stressed, or even anxious. For modern people, following this advice can be challenging but possible. It requires slowing down and being mindful when organizing. You start by going through everything you own, item by item, and asking yourself if it brings you joy. If it does, you keep it. If not, you thank it for serving you and let it go. This way, you are not just cleaning up, but also creating a space that reflects what truly matters to you. By keeping only what sparks joy, you can simplify your life and focus on what's really important. This can lead to less stress, a more organized home, and a happier, more meaningful relationship with your belongings. It also helps you become more thoughtful about what you buy and how you use the things you already have. In a world full of distractions and materialism, this practice helps bring peace and clarity into your daily life. The author emphasizes the importance of tidying by category, not location, because it helps people see all the items they own in one category, making it easier to decide what to keep and what to let go. Instead of cleaning room by room, which might spread similar items across different spaces, you tidy up all the items in a category, like clothes, books or papers, at once. This way you get a clear picture of how much you really have, which helps you make better decisions about what you need and what sparks joy. For example, if you tidy your clothes by category, you would gather all the clothes from every part of your house, closets, drawers and other rooms, and then go through them together. This approach prevents you from keeping extra clothes just because they are in another room, out of sight, and forgotten. It forces you to confront the full amount of each category and helps you avoid buying duplicates or keeping unnecessary items. This method is possible for modern people because, in today's world, we often have similar items spread out across different spaces. For example, you might have books in your bedroom, living room and office. By organizing all your books at once, you can make better choices about which ones you truly want to keep. Tidying by category brings a sense of order and prevents you from having a little bit of clutter in every room. Instead, it allows you to organize fully and more efficiently. In modern life, where many people are busy, this method saves time in the long run because you deal with an entire category at once, instead of retidying the same type of item in different rooms again and again. It helps create a more organized, clutter-free environment, which brings calm and clarity to everyday life. In the book, Kondo talks about respecting and valuing your belongings as an important part of creating a peaceful and happy home. She believes that when you treat your things with care and appreciation, they last longer and bring more joy to your life. For example, folding your clothes neatly, storing items in an orderly way, and treating each item as if it has a purpose helps you build a positive relationship with your possessions. Kondo suggests that by respecting your belongings, you also show respect for yourself and your environment. When you take the time to properly care for your things, you feel more grateful for what you have, and you're less likely to buy things you don't need. This can lead to less clutter, more thoughtful consumption, and a deeper sense of contentment with your life. For modern people, respecting and valuing belongings is possible by practicing mindfulness. Instead of rushing through life and treating your things as disposable, you can slow down and handle your items with care. For example, rather than tossing your clothes on the floor, you can fold them carefully and put them in their proper place. By doing this, you create a more organized and calming environment. In today's fast-paced world, where we often buy and replace things quickly, Kondo's approach encourages us to be more intentional. By valuing what we already own, we reduce waste, save money, and create a home filled only with items that matter. This makes life simpler and helps modern people live more sustainably, with less stress and more appreciation for the things that truly serve them. The life-changing magic of tidying up offers valuable lessons for how we can live better, especially in today's fast-paced world. Her method isn't just about cleaning up, it's about changing how we think about our things and our homes. One of the most important lessons is to surround ourselves only with things that make us happy. By doing this, we can create a space that feels peaceful and reflects what truly matters to us. Letting go of clutter helps us feel more relaxed and less overwhelmed, allowing us to focus on the things we love. Kondo also teaches us to be more thoughtful about what we own. Instead of keeping things out of habit or guilt, we can learn to appreciate our belongings and let go of the rest. This reduces waste and encourages us to buy less, which is especially important in today's consumer-driven world. Her approach also highlights the importance of caring for what we have. By treating our belongings with respect, we create a sense of order and calm in our homes, which helps us feel more at ease. For modern people, who are often busy and distracted, these lessons can bring a sense of balance and simplicity. In a world where we are constantly surrounded by things and information, Kondo's method helps us focus on what truly brings us joy. It reminds us that by living with less clutter and more intention, we can create happier, more meaningful lives. Today we have explored the life-changing magic of tidying up by Marie Kondo and discovered how decluttering and organizing can transform modern man in this traumatic world. It's not just about tidying your home, it's about creating space for joy, focus, and a clearer mind. By keeping only what truly sparks joy, we can simplify our lives and embrace a more intentional way of living. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Poetics of Success for more insights on books that inspire personal growth and success. Wishing you all wealth, success, and the consistency to keep moving toward your goals. Let's keep building a life of purpose together.